In the quiet villages of 1960s rural Tamil Nadu, Ravi and Kasturi grew up side by side, their friendship blossoming amidst fields and winding dirt roads. From a young age, they shared secrets, laughter, and dreams, forming a bond that was both tender and unbreakable. Their days were filled with simple joys, from chasing monsoon rains to listening to elders' stories under the banyan tree. But everything changed when Kasturi began experiencing sudden headaches and fainting spells. Concerned, Ravi alerted her family, leading to a series of medical tests that revealed Kasturi was suffering from a brain tumor. This diagnosis marked the beginning of an extraordinary journey, one that would test the strength of their friendship and Kasturi's resilience in the face of adversity. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, Kasturi faced persistent health challenges, enduring a series of recurring illnesses that often left her physically weakened. Despite these hardships, she began to experience profound spiritual phenomena that set her apart from those around her. Witnesses reported moments where she appeared to enter deep trances, sometimes speaking in languages she had never learned. As her condition persisted, these extraordinary events drew increasing attention from her community. Many came to believe that Kasturi's suffering had awakened latent divine powers within her. Over time, she was transformed in the eyes of others from a patient to a spiritual figure, revered for her perceived connection to the divine and sought after for blessings and guidance. In her final years, Kasturi was revered by those around her for her unwavering faith and compassionate spirit. As her health declined, the community gathered to offer support, recognizing the profound impact she had made on their lives. Kasturi's passing was met with deep sorrow, but also a sense of gratitude for the wisdom and kindness she had shared. In her honor, the Virgin Kasturi Kali Temple was established, serving as a lasting tribute to her devotion and spiritual leadership. The temple quickly became a focal point for worship and reflection, drawing devotees who found inspiration in Kasturi's life. Her legacy endures not only through the temple, but also in the hearts of those who continue to celebrate her memory and uphold the values she embodied. Today, Ravi serves as the temple trustee, a position that carries both honor and responsibility. His family has flourished, enjoying a newfound prosperity that many attribute to the blessings associated with the temple. Yet beneath this surface of success, Ravi often finds himself pondering deeper questions about faith and divinity. The enigmatic events surrounding Kasturi's life continue to evoke curiosity and wonder, leaving many in the community searching for answers. While some view these mysteries as signs of a higher power, others remain skeptical, unsure of what to believe. Ravi's journey is a testament to the enduring complexity of spiritual belief and the ways in which it shapes both individual lives and entire communities.